Hi guys, I'm Tahia from Readings with Tahia, and I'm here to show you how to find the solar eclipse in your chart or your client's chart. If you haven't already, open Parashara's Light, and this is version 9.0, and I'm using the version that is on Windows PC. And either open up your own chart or a client's chart. If you need to know how to create a chart, you can go to my video where I show you how to create a chart, and I'll link that video down below as well as at the end of this video. We're going to use a saved chart that I've called the client the astrologer. And what we're going to do here is go to the transit screen. And you can access this in two ways. You can go to charts, click on that drop down, and click on animated transits 1. The other way you can access it is go to this little icon over here that looks like a chart, click on it, and click on Animated Transits 1. And you will see the circular wheel come up that shows all of the different houses and where the natal planets are, as well as where the planets in transit are. What we're going to do at this point is create the transit for the eclipse. And the eclipse in the Pacific time zone is on Sunday, September 21st, around 12:53. So I'm going to click on days until we get to Sunday, the 21st. Oops, actually, you want to click on stop because it was on real time and then move to the 21st. And now we're going to move to 12:53. And I'm going to click backwards because as of right now, it's later than that. And you just simply click either hours and the 10-minute or the minute mark until you get to the time that you're looking for. The other way you can also tell is right here, the sun and the moon are at the exact degree. And then you simply look to see what house this is falling in your natal chart or the client's chart. I hope that was helpful in helping you understand how on Parashara's Light you can figure out where the eclipse falls in your chart or your client's. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.